How to unblock on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can unblock anyone on Happn. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Happn account, you will come to the explore page like this. Now before showing how you can unblock, let me show you how you can block a particular profile. In order to block someone, simply scroll below on that particular person's profile. As you reach the bottom, you will find this report and block option. Tap on it. Then after, you will have to select the reason why you are trying to block the person. After that, tap on continue. Now as you do that, the profile will be removed from your interface. After that, if you want to unblock the profile that you just blocked, there is actually no such a way on the Happn app in order to unblock the profile. Even when I go to settings, there is no such options or settings to unblock the blocked account. However, there are such options to unblock the profiles on the previous version of the app. Since the app has been updated to the latest version with new layout, the moderators seem to have removed the option to unblock. So unfortunately, you can't unblock a person after you have blocked them on the Happn app. That's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.